everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an awesome new video to share with all of you. I'm going to use only Wet n Wild cosmetics for this video. No cheating, no nothing, just straight what I have of Wet n Wild products. I'm super excited to share it with all of you. I've been wanting to do this one for quite a while. I don't have a lot of products, but I'm going to do my best in this video to share with you a little tutorial of how to get this look right here. I did my best. I don't know if I succeeded. I think it looks okay, but it's not going to be the best tutorial in the world, but I really want to do it anyway. It's kind of like a challenge video, so the challenge is to get a good look with using whatever you have available to you of that certain brand of product. So let's just jump into it and see what happens. You kind of know what it is already. Before I start anything, I'm going to prime my face first, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Formula Primer right here. A cute little 0.84 ounce bottle right here. You don't get a lot, but a little bit goes a long way. And I'm also using this for my eyes because it says face primer, so it should work for all over your face, technically. I'm going to massage it into my hands and apply it all over my face and eyes as well. The primer is already on every part of my face, basically. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mysterious Nights eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. It's something else, I'll tell you that. It's not the best product, but it's disappointing, I'll be honest. But it's Wet n Wild, and this is a Wet n Wild video, so that's what we're going to use today. I'm going to use that all on my lid right here. Not a fan of this because it's so watery, and I'm just not a fan of like very wet eyeshadows. I'm more of like a solid dry person, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't even wet my eyeshadows to make them darker. It is what it is, because it's so creepy feeling that liquid all over your eye. Like, water is just like, ugh. I don't like it at all. There's more glitter than eyeshadow, to be honest. Trying to even it out, but it's just so hard to even out. It's just, oh my god. And I got this one from the Mermaid collection that they had out, I don't know, maybe last year. Yeah, that was such an underwhelming kit. I did a review on it. I will try to link it down below so that way you can see for yourself how big of a disaster it was. I had gotten it or bought it as a Mother's Day gift, and yeah, I was very disappointed in what the products were and how they played out. But the liquid lipsticks were like the best things ever from the whole thing, and the highlighter. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this one at all, but it is what it is. Well, I didn't realize my camera wasn't recording because it got too hot, so I actually went in and fixed the eyeshadow with the wand tip of the liquid eyeshadow, and I used the eyeshadow brush to pat it down and try to at least even everything out. I'm going to use this gray shade of eyeliner from Wet n Wild, of course, and it's called Trident's Shimmer. So we're going to use some of that today. part of the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this highlighter right here. It's a rainbow highlighter. It's Unicorn Glow. I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and just go around like so. Shake off the excess and add that as my highlight shade right here. Right there. Not too much. Super subtle. And the same thing for the other side. Swirl it around. Shake off excess and apply. Now moving on to the face part, I'm going to use the Soft Beige Photo Focus Foundation, and this one is so amazing. I can't rave about it enough. It's like so perfect. Setting powder for Wet n Wild, but I do have this finishing setting spray, and it's also matte. It matches the primer as well, so we're going to spray some of that on, being very generous. I'm going to go back in with the rainbow highlighter, Unicorn Glow, and taking my highlight brush, and I'm going to swirl it around, shaking off the excess, doing the fish face, and highlight right there. Doing the same for the other side as well now. Gives a nice bluish hue to your face. Blend that out. I'm taking the same brush that I used to blend out my foundation. I'm taking the setting spray. I'm just going to spray it on my cheeks. Let that set, and then move on to the liquid lipstick, and this one is the Liquid Catsuit in the shade is Teal. A very beautiful bluish, greenish sort of tone, very aquatic. This one is a liquid matte formula. This fine tip right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it makes a great lip liner. I don't know, but I like it a lot. Wet n Wild has some of the best makeup for like such an affordable price. Some things are as you can see, but some things can be like a really good boom product, and that's what I love about Wet n Wild. It's just like with anything, some things are hit or miss, so you just gotta be careful of what you buy. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my Wet n Wild cosmetics video using only their brand of products. So I don't know if I succeeded or not. I think I look okay and decent to go out into the real world. I don't know. Who knows? I think I look okay. Maybe some sunglasses will be involved. I don't know. But I want to thank all of you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which will be every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.